a bit disturbing and controversial siya.
I feel sad when
so
I read it.
the post is all about this group or probably groups of people na pumasok dito as tourists and then na-cancel yung visa nila. It's
Good morning, fam! Welcome back to our channel!
Maayong adlaw, Calgary, Canada and Pilipinas. Maayong buntag o gabi sa inyong tanan.
Yes, it's a sunny day, Calgary day again today. It's positive 7, Daddy.
Yes.
And it's a nice day to go out.
Yup, so lalabas tayo. Pero slippery pa rin yung mga kalsada. Ang daming wet,
Basa, yeah.
wet zones.
Yeah, kasi natutunaw na yung snow.
Correct. Siyempre, iba talaga ang vibe pag sunny.
Positive na, tsaka
talaga
positive.
Excited lahat ng tao makikita mo talaga sa sa pagdadrive, sa paglalakad.
Ang dami nasa labas.
Yeah, may mga nagjo-jogging na kanina.
Oo nga.
Kahit na 4 pa lang, positive 4 pa lang naman.
This morning kanina.
Imagine, ang Baguio ba is around 10, 12? 4 dito. Alisan na ang mga tao.
Labasan na.
Labasan na. So, see you later. Samahan niyo ulit kami. Hey fam, we're home. So gustong maglakad-lakad pa ng mga bata. So ikot tayo dito around our complex, our townhouse. And tingin tayo ng mga bahay dito na magaganda, which is behind lang din sa bahay namin. And by the way, Calgary is positive 7 degrees na. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na at hindi na masyadong malamig. Kahit naman -10 or -5, okay lang. Pero ibang usapan pag -20, -25. Sobrang lamig talaga masakit siya sa balat. So pag ganito, medyo okay na. So, lakad-lakad lang sila. Oh, my kids. Palaki ng palaki. See, look at that. Gaganda ng mga bahay dito. Detached houses. Bali, ito yung likod ng bahay namin. Ang townhouse namin. Ganda ng mga bahay nila. Parang sobrang laki naman to for us. Kasi 4 lang kami. Dito lang kami maglalakad ni na Davon. Those are steps. Hey fam! And naligaw ang Alba Fam Bam sa Costco again. May sadya lang kami ni Mommy. And yeah, and gutom din ang mga kids, so kakain na din for dinner. Let's go! May sadya lang kami ni Donna. So, may kailangan na bilhin. Hopefully, hindi makapag-shopping na naman at makabili ng mga kung ano-anong bagay. So, see ya!
And we're back dito sa bahay after a quick Costco trip that cost us around $130. Pag Costco talaga, hindi ka makakaligtas talagang walang ibang bibilhin. But then mga kailangan din naman.
Yeah. And nagpagas na rin kasi tayo. So,
Yeah.
nag-drop na rin tayo for a quick grocery.
Yeah. So, ayun. So, while in Costco, may nakita akong post sa isang page na sinalihan ko. Siyempre, Bisaya ka. So, gusto ni mo makabasa po og mga Bisaya na content. So, sumali ako dun sa isang group. The name is called Bisdak in Canada. Ato ni Bay or something. So, it was controversial, disturbing actually for me. And for Donna, it was sad.
Yeah,
Kasi,
nakakasad.
about that post, may mga group of tourists na nandito sa Canada na siguro content or vloggers din sila.
Or
And-
they just want to post ng
Or
daily
they
life.
just, yeah, or they just want to post daily. Oo. And then, meron silang friend, kakilala, or whoever that is, na for short, ni-report yung activities nila na nag-work sila sa isang hotel. And, of course,
Having that visa.
yeah, having a tourist visa. So, we all know na pag tourist ka naman, and you could actually relate this also to my previous post then na about tourist applications and all, na ikaw na lang mag-asikaso and all. But anyway, since tourist ka, you're really not allowed to work. But for them, siguro may need for survival.
Yeah.
Syempre, magastos din dito as a tourist. To make it short, nireport sila nung kakilala nila or friend nila sa authorities and na-cancel yung tourist visa nila. I'm pretty sure siguro na pauwi na yun. We couldn't confirm from the post, but yeah, just seeing the post, it makes you wonder kung gaano kahirap, or not makes you wonder, but it makes you believe kung gaano kahirap talaga dito sa Canada nowadays. For me, they were lucky to be given tourist visas, and of course they know what are the things that they could and could not do here in Canada.
Yeah.
But apparently they did the work. Siguro may matinding pangangailangan and other needs. But yeah, for me, reporting someone, it's really hard to imagine. Kasi may iba-iba kasing points talaga yan eh. Ayun, number one, baka nga may pangangailangan din talaga yung tourist. But of
Yeah.
course, since tourist sila, dapat hindi sila nag-work dito.
Pero nakakasad din kasi wala naman din sinabi dun sa post kung sinong nagsumbong o what. But as pagkakaintindi nila is kapwa daw Pilipino. Which is nakakasad nga rin kasi syempre, I don't know, ang hirap mag-comment doon na ang daming mga sinasabi na kapwa Pilipino tayo, bakit kailangan gawin, naiinggitan, and jealousy, and
Yeah, lalabas na yung topic na ugali ng mga Pilipino
Yeah,
na crab mentality and all.
yes, na kapwa Pilipino mo, sila pa yung magbabagsak sa'yo, and mga ganong mga comment, which is nakakasad nga lang. Kasi for sure naman, may nakaka-experience din naman na gano'n na, yun nga, kapwa Pilipino natin, sila pa yung minsan mag-down talaga sa'yo, lalo na when you are overseas and you're trying your best to live your life na malayo sa pamilya, or nagsisimula ka para maging maganda ang future. So, ayun, nakakasad lang. When I read that post, parang sabi ko kay Lawrence, nakakasadad kasi may tao talagang ganon. Hindi man lahat, but meron talaga tayo makakasalamuha or makakakilala siguro na ganon. So iba-iba talaga iba-ibang mentality ng mga tao.
Yeah. Naalala mo yung kakarating ko lang kasi si Donna unang nag-overseas sa Singapore. And then yun din yung isang babala ni Donna sa akin nung nandun na ako sa Singapore, na you need to be careful hindi sa mga ibang lahi kung hindi sa kapwa Pilipino. Kasi usually, and yun din yung naririnig kong advice dun sa mga ibang naging kaibigan na namin. Kasi yun talaga yung kapwa Pilipino yung may chance na to pull you down. So, whatever that is, I don't know. I haven't experienced it yet kasi nga careful naman ako, careful naman kami
Yeah.
not to be very comfortable with other Filipinos. But of course, there are certain friends, of course, na exceptions yun. But then, In general, just you really need to be careful.
Yeah.
Going back to the post, may nakadagdag doon na pinatawag sila ng authorities. For sure, immigration yan. And then, nung nandoon na sila sa immigration, while they're going to be doing the interview or having the interview with the authorities or immigration, hindi na sila in a sense, nakapalag.
Yeah.
Or
They
naka-give ng excuse. Kasi, ang mga posts nila, either real ba or story ba yun, I don't know.
Yeah.
Ayun na ang pinakita agad ng mga immigration officer. Ibig sabihin, ebidensya agad.
na
Pinakita.
sinend sa kanila nung nagsumbong.
Nung nagsumbong.
So,
So, ano ang magagawa mo? You can't even defend yourself
Exactly.
at that situation. Kasi you're in a tourist visa, you know that you shouldn't be working here in Canada, but then what are you guys doing? So, naturally, ang decision ng immigration pag mga ganon is it's either papauwiin ka without a ban or tingin ko ibaban sila. And banning means 3 or 5 years. I'm not pretty sure about that.
yeah.
But yeah, one point to add on that is that sabi nga ni Donna, pag naban ka ng ibang bansa, imagine, naban ka sa Canada for 5 years. Do you think it's just 5 years? And do you think it's just for Canada?
Yeah.
No. Kasi every application, every visa application na pupuntahan mo, na fill upan mo, may nakalagay doon. Correct me if I'm wrong, but laging may nakalagay, have you ever been denied entry
Yeah.
to any country or destination? Ano yun? No or yes lang ang sagot
Yeah.
doon. Pag yes, why? So, again, it's not just banned for 5 years or 3 years, but it's gonna be for a long time or even forever. And it's not just for Canada, but also
To other countries.
to other countries. Kasi, ang iisipin na ng other countries ay may tendency tong taong to na gumawa ng labag dun sa ipo-provide namin na visa.
Yeah.
Like for example,
Exactly.
ang Australian na visa namin, nakaka-approve lang namin. Nakaka-approve lang. May nakalagay doon ng mga provisions. You couldn't study for more than 6 months. You couldn't work.
Yeah.
And all. So, itong taong pala to, pwede pala niyang, or pwede siyang maglabag
Yeah.
ng mga provisions na doon. Really, a lesson here is, if you want to relate it to the previous video that I had, if you're a tourist visa, be a tourist. If you have a work permit, go and work. If you're a tourist, huwag mong isipin na yung pupuntahan mong bansa ay pwede ka talagang mag-work kasi usually hindi talaga. It's for tourism. It's for the country to be able to share the natural resources and for you to spend here and contribute to our economy. Yun talaga ang purpose ng tourism eh. Yun naman talaga yung dalawang yun eh. And for you to experience, etc. But not to work. And because working should have proper papers, should have valid working visa and all. So, again,
And of course, one more thing then is you always be vigilant and be very careful of what are you doing in general in life. Kasi may mga tao talaga na they want you to bring you down or pull you down in some ways. Kahit akala mo is okay, pero sa ibang tao hindi din pala. So,
Yeah.
ewan ko, parang for me as an overseas Filipino worker for a long time,
20 years ka na.
iba-ibang tao ang nakakasalamuha, ma-Pilipino, ma-ibang lahi. Mostly, syempre, we are more comfortable with our own race, pero syempre, meron pa rin tayo dapat na limit and magiging careful pa rin.
Yeah.
So, yun lang. Kasi hindi mo talaga alam kung sino-sino talaga yung mga nasa paligid mo, ano yung intention, or kung ano nakikita sa'yo. May mga ganon. Jealousy is all over Parang ganun ba? Kasi may mga tao talagang, umaangat yan. Bakit kaya? Anong ginagawa nila? Dapat hindi. Mga ganyan. I don't know. It's just a general feedback and comment kung ganun talaga yung nangyayari.
Yeah. And again, I think to conclude, for me, ang ganda ng isang comment dun. How hard is it to be kind
Correct.
and to be loving?
Yeah.
I mean, in general, we're people working. We want to provide. We want to provide food, shelter, security to our families. How hard it could be to be just loving and kind. So, ayun. May mahirap siyang isipin, but hopefully may lesson tayo na learn dito.
Kung meron din kayo mga comments or gusto nyong i-share din about this particular topic, leave it in a comment. And malaman din natin kung anong point of view nyo. Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're going to conclude our vlog and video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And thank you for watching.
And thanks again for watching.
Yep.
And see you
On
on
the
the
next
next
vlog.
video. Hang loose.